I found this pot of gold for St. Patty's Day at the Dollar Tree. With my black Wise Owl paint and my Klingon brush, I covered the entire board in black. All paint products and Klingon brushes of many sizes can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Once dry and covered, I added cashmere using a chip brush that can be found at most hardware stores. I found this succulent from the Dollar Tree, and I pulled them out of the pot and cut off the stem, and with a glue gun, I glued them to the top in place of coins. I made sure as I chose my succulents that they were different colors to give dimension and interest. Once I had that all figured out, I had this stencil from Studio R12. Go check them out at studior12.com. They have many stencils to choose from. This one said the luck of the Irish, or luck of the Irish, and using a dabber and cashmere, I filled in the sentence of the Irish. I connected all my letters with an art brush. I put this in first as I did not have a whole lot of room to work with. The stencil came in 2 parts. And now I am applying the word luck. Using a dabber and my Wise Owl goldenrod, I applied the word luck and again used an art brush to connect my letters. Again, paint products can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. And again, check out Studio R12. Thank you so much for watching.